class children. Today we are already learning about the lesson motion. Today we already know that the equations of there are four type of equations of motion. One is v is equal to u plus at, and second one is h is equal to ut plus half at square, and third one is v square minus u square is equal to 2s, and the fourth equations of motion is Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. I already explained the three equations of motion in previous classes. First, then we have to explain. I have explained about fourth equation. Here, derived equation Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. What is the equation means? He asked that the distance travelled in the n second. Example, you have to observe that if a body travel a distance in 8 seconds. Example, if a car travels at 10 meters in 10 seconds. If a car travels 10 meters in 10 seconds. I want that what is the distance travelled in a 9 seconds? What is the distance travelled in a 9 seconds? The body travelled 10 meters in 10 seconds. Okay. 10 meters or 10 seconds వెళ్ళింది కానీ నాకు కావాల్సింది 9th second లో అది ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ వెళ్ళిందో కావాలి. So that for that type of sums you have used this formula Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. Here Sn is called the distance travelled in n second, u is called the initial velocity of the body, a is called the acceleration of the body, n is called the distance, the time taken by the body in n second. So if you want to prove this formula, then you have to take this the distance travelled in n second, the distance travelled in n second is equal to distance travelled in n seconds minus distance travelled in n minus 1 second. If you want to distance travelled in n second only distance covered. Example, you have to want distance travelled in 9 second లో కావాలనుకోండి. మీరు 10 సెకండ్ నుంచి 9 సెకండ్స్ వరకు పోయిన డిస్టెన్స్ మనం 10 సెకండ్స్ కి వెళ్ళిన డిస్టెన్స్ నుంచి 9 సెకండ్స్ వరకు వెళ్ళిన డిస్టెన్స్ మనం మైనస్ చేసినట్లయితే ఆ ఒక్క సెకండ్ లో వెళ్ళిన డిస్టెన్స్ మనం కనుక్కోవచ్చు అన్నమాట. సో they have to here I have used a formula, the distance travelled in n seconds minus distance travelled in n minus 1 seconds. నేను 10 సెకండ్స్ లో వెళ్ళిన డిస్టెన్స్ నుంచి 9 సెకండ్స్ లో వెళ్ళిన డిస్టెన్స్ ఎలా మైనస్ చేస్తానో ఇక్కడ n సెకండ్స్ లో వెళ్ళిన డిస్టెన్స్ నుంచి n మైనస్ 1 అంటే n ముందు సెకండ్ అన్నమాట, n మైనస్ 1 సెకండ్ లో వెళ్ళిన డిస్టెన్స్ నేను మైనస్ చేశాను. దట్ we have already know that the formula of what is the formula of equations of motion of second formula s is equal to ut plus half a square, where t the time traveled by the body. Here if the time traveled by the body is n seconds, the formula is you have to remove t and you have to write n here. So if the formula is ut plus half a square, you have to remove t and place n in the place of t, then you get un plus half an square. Here remove t and place it n. So the distance traveled in n seconds is un plus half an square minus, and we want to distance traveled in n minus 1 second. So I have to put that we have to remove t and place n minus 1 in the place of t. Here in the place of ut plus half a square, I have placed n minus 1 in the place of t. So u into n minus 1 and place half a into n minus 1 whole square. Then t తీసేసి n minus 1 పెట్టాను. So u into n minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 whole square. un plus half an square minus u into n means u into minus 1 means minus u plus half a into what is the formula for n minus 1 whole square? It is the formula of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a square means n square minus 2ab means 2 into n into 1, that means 2n, plus b square means 1 square, 1 anja 1, so it is 1. Next one is un plus half an square minus un minus u plus half a into n square is half a n square, plus into minus minus half a into 2n, here 2 is cancelled, and plus into plus is plus, half a into 1 is half a. Next one is un plus half a n square, here minus u into n is minus un, and minus into minus is plus u, and here minus into plus minus half a n square, minus into minus plus a n, minus into plus is minus half a. Here plus un and minus un is cancelled, and plus half n square and minus half n square cancelled. The remaining are u plus an minus half a. I have here I take u plus. I have take common a from these two. So a is equal to u plus. I take common a. Then what the remaining here n minus half. So the formula for the distance traveled in n second Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. It's an important question. You have to practice this for 2 times. Okay. Next, I have given a sum for you. What is the average speed of cheetah that sprint 100 meters in 4 seconds, and what is sprint in 50 meters in 2 seconds? If a cheetah అంటే చిరుతపులి గెలుతూ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఎగురుతూ ఉంటుంది పక్కన ప్రే మనం పట్టుకునేటప్పుడు అప్పుడు మనం ట్రావెల్ 100 meters in 4 seconds. 4 seconds లో 100 meters travel చేసిందట. He asked that what is the speed of the cheetah. So you have to what the formula for average speed distance by time. Here the distance traveled by cheetah is 100 meters and the time is 4 seconds. So distance by time is 100 by 4. So for 25 the 100 we get the 25 meters per second is the average speed of cheetah. And here given another question, what is the sprint of cheetah if it travel 50 meters in 2 seconds? Then if you want to have the average speed of cheetah, if cheetah is sprinting 50 meters in 2 seconds, the formula is distance by time. Here the distance traveled by cheetah is 50 meters and the time is 2 seconds. So 50 by 2 is equal to 25 meters per second. Okay, I have given a worksheet for you. Find the average speed of a train if it travels 500 kilometers in 5 hours. So this is also the formula is the average speed is equal to distance by time. So 500 by 5 you get 100 kilometers per hour. And also find if the train travels 200 kilometers in 2 hours, find the average speed also.